Good morning and welcome to Moving Iron Podcast Morning Market Roundup with Chip Nellinger. Chip, Page looks like it's kind of just been that, like you talk about, that kind of just slopping around the marketplace up and down a little bit, but nothing too crazy happening out there.
Yeah, not a lot going on, although the market's acting pretty well, especially corn. We've had a nice rally off the lows. Beans are up near recent highs as well. About the time frame you put a seasonal low in. So I guess there's always a chance that we have digested the biggest crop and the most bearish news and possibly ready to form, a seasonal harvest low in here. Little early to conclusively say that just yet. But the market's acted well, and we've got this quarterly stocks report out Friday morning at 11. Those are always wild cards and somewhat unpredictable and prone to surprises. But, we get out of that without any big headaches. The market's going to be watching to see how we close the week. We can close up into new highs in corn and beans. It really could spur a lot of additional buying and short covering as the funds get out and exit positions. So, although we're not doing a whole lot, the market still is acting fairly respectable right now. And we're in the time frame on the calendar where you have to be, aware that we could be maybe in the process of putting a low in. So that's the good news. Still a lot of harvest left. Some harvest delays. There's going to be a lot of rain around. That's probably part of why we're seeing a little bit of a balance, especially in corn. It was getting, dry, and there were some corn reports corn going down with, poor stock quality already. So more rain isn't going to help that. So we'll see. The market's acting well. You can close the week strongly. I think that will spur some additional, upside momentum. But we'll just have to see how we get through these reports Friday as well. But fingers crossed. It could be a lot worse right now, given some of the USDA yield numbers for sure.
Yeah. Livestock market has been, like we talked about earlier, been trending pretty well here of late. How's the last couple of days for that marketplace been for the overall producer?
Yeah, cattle are holding up pretty well. We saw a little weakness on Monday. We bounced back yesterday. That real negative cattle on feed report from Friday. So Monday, had a little bit of selling pressure, but it's holding up well. The hog market looking strong technically as well. You can probably safely say that we've seen the lows there and a seasonal low. How much more upside is anyone's guess right now. But as you go into the fourth quarter, things start looking a lot better, both in the cattle and the hogs from a seasonal and supply side issue. When typically you start seeing those numbers shrink a little bit, both production and meat supplies. So, hopefully we turn the corner here. The cattle market's holding up well in spite of big numbers. The hog market finally looks like it's turned the corner and maybe due for a normal bounce here and maybe have some more upside, which is a good sign. We've been pretty depressed in hog prices for quite a while
now. Right on, Chip. Well, plenty of volatility in the marketplace, a lot of things going on. The dollar's kind of been all over the place. That's going to affect export markets and everything else. So never been a better time than have a good plan in place, especially going into harvest like we're at now. So if folks want to work on their plan, build a plan, or just have you revise a plan that they're looking at, how would they do that?
Yeah, best way is just give us a call, 309-550-7213. We'd love to chat with you and just kind of see what your existing plan is and how we can maybe tweak that and improve it along the way.
Right on, Chip. Well, we will talk again on Friday. Till then, have a good one, and make sure you catch your flight to Vegas.
Yes, we'll talk to you Friday.
All right, buddy. That'll work, man.
All right, man. See you.
Take care. We'll see you.